Daily motivation habits. 1. Set clear goals. Motivation dies when you don't know what you're working for. Write down specific goals. Example, I will complete my project report by Friday, instead of, I want to study more. Keep long-term goals, career, fitness, personal growth, and short-term goals, daily or weekly targets. 2. Break big tasks into small steps. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down. For example, instead of, I will write a book, make it, I will write 1 page a day. Completing smaller tasks give you quick wins that keep you motivated. 3. Create a routine. Relying on only motivation doesn't work. It's not always there. Build habits like waking up at a fixed time, study or work blocks, exercise time. Once your body and mind adapt, it becomes automatic and less dependent on motivation. 4. Visualize your success. Every day, spend 2 to 3 minutes imagining yourself achieving your goals. Example, picture yourself getting good grades, having a fit body, or succeeding at work. Visualization programs your brain to chase that reality. 5. Track your progress. Motivation grows when you see results. Keep a notebook, to-do list, or mobile app to tick off completed tasks. Looking back at your progress gives you confidence to keep going. 6. Reward yourself. Motivation is stronger when you link effort to rewards. Example, after finishing a task, watch an episode of your favorite show, take a short break, or treat yourself with something small. Rewards make the journey enjoyable. 7. Surround yourself with positivity. The people, environment, and content you consume affect your mindset. Stay away from negativity and spend time with people who inspire you. Listen to motivational talks, podcasts, or read books that boost your energy. 8. Stay physically active. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it increases energy and improves mood. Even a 15-minute walk, stretching, or a simple workout can recharge you. A healthy body supports a motivated mind. 9. Feed your mind. Motivation often comes from learning and new ideas. Read inspiring biographies, self-help books, or success stories. Listen to podcasts or watch videos that remind you of your potential. 10. Focus on the why. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? When the reason is strong, motivation becomes natural. Example, I am studying not just to pass exams, but to secure a good future and help my family. 11. Practice self-discipline. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. Train yourself to do the work even when you don't feel like it. Remember, small daily actions create big long-term results. 12. Avoid perfectionism. Many people lose motivation because they wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have. Improve gradually. Progress matters more than perfection. Done is better than perfect. 13. Reflect daily. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each evening reviewing your day. Ask, what did I achieve? What can I do better tomorrow? Reflection builds self-awareness and keeps your motivation aligned with your goals.